Good morning, I'm Faye Thompson. This morning we're going to do an egg custard. This is a recipe that I really like, and I guess if you like eggs, I think you would like it, and I cook it a lot. Okay, we have 9 eggs we're going to crack and put in this mixing bowl. There is double yolks all over these eggs. I don't think it'll make any difference though. Just don't want to get any of that eggshell in that. Okay, I believe that's all of our eggs. Now we're going to put 1/3 teaspoon of salt, 14 ounces of whole milk, 1½ cups of sugar, 5 tablespoons of butter. I left this butter out so it would beat up a lot better. 1½ teaspoons of vanilla flavoring. We'll guess at that ½ teaspoon. We're just going to beat this up until it's mixed up real good. I guess you see why they call it egg custard. It has so many eggs in it. But I need to tell you something too. If you have some of this left over, I like to warm mine up a little. I think it's better if you eat it warm than it is cold. I think that's about it. It's one of the easiest pies you could make too. Your butter is not totally melted. It's beaten up. It's in a little small lump, but that won't make any difference. It will melt in this pie and it'll be fine. This is a 9-inch pie shell too. I think I told you that. But this goes into a 300-degree oven for 45 minutes, and then we turn it up to 350 and cook it another 15 minutes. I made this pie crust too. The other day, I decided I'd make several pie crusts and put them in the freezer so I'd have them ready. Our egg custard is finished cooking now. This is better if you serve it warm. If you don't eat all of this and have some in the refrigerator, before you serve it, stick it in a microwave for just a few seconds now. It doesn't take very much. You don't want to overdo it, it'll ruin it. But I like it better if you eat it while it's warm. I do hope you try this, and I hope you enjoy it. And I hope I see you on another video. Thanks for watching.